Let's learn how to improve your English vocabulary through a story. This is level 1, so it will be easy to understand. Liza was a young lady who lived in a small, quiet town where people knew each other and life moved slowly. Every morning, Liza woke up early, opened her window, and looked at the sky while thinking about her dream. Liza wanted to improve her English vocabulary and speak English confidently one day. But she felt afraid because many English words were new to her, and she did not know how to remember them. One day her teacher told her, "Liza, the best way to learn new words is through stories." This advice changed her life. Liza loved stories. She loved listening to stories, reading simple stories, and imagining the characters. From that day, Liza started learning English through stories every single day. First, she read a short story about a girl who walked to school. From that story, she learned new words like walk, school, bag, and friend. She repeated those words many times. Then she used them in simple sentences like, "I walk to school and my friend has a bag." Slowly, those words became part of her daily life. Every evening, Liza told herself a story in English, even if it was very simple. She understood that stories help words stay in the mind. When Liza read stories, she did not try to memorize difficult words. Instead, she learned words naturally by seeing them again and again in different sentences. When she saw the word happy in a story, she imagined the character smiling. When she saw the word sad, she imagined the character crying. This helped her remember the meaning easily. Sometimes Liza read the same story many times. But she did not feel bored because each time she noticed a new word or understood a sentence better. Her confidence slowly grew. Stories made English feel friendly and fun, not scary. When Liza spoke with her friends, she tried to use the words she learned from stories. Even if she made mistakes, she smiled and continued because stories taught her that learning is a journey, not a race. Over time, Liza's vocabulary became stronger. Her sentences became clearer, and her fear disappeared. She learned an important lesson. Young learners can improve English vocabulary easily when they learn through simple stories. Stories connect words with feelings, pictures, and real life. Just like Liza, anyone who reads or listens to English stories every day can grow step by step, word by word, until English becomes a natural part of life. Every day after school, Liza followed the same simple routine to improve her English vocabulary through stories. She learned that a routine is important for learning. When she reached home, she washed her hands, ate a small snack, and then sat at her wooden table with a book and a notebook. Today, the story was about a young girl who went to the market with her mother. From this story, Liza learned new words like market, money, fruit, apple, banana, and smile. She did not rush. She read slowly and clearly. When she saw the word market, she imagined a busy place with people walking, talking, and buying things. When she saw the word apple, she remembered the red apple she ate in the morning. This made the word easy to remember. Liza wrote the new words in her notebook and said them aloud many times because she knew speaking helps memory. She made simple sentences like, I go to the market and I like apples. She repeated these sentences until they felt natural. Sometimes she listened to the same story on her phone. Listening helped her hear the correct pronunciation. Even when she did not understand every word, she stayed calm. Stories taught her that meaning comes little by little. One evening, her younger brother sat next to her and asked what she was doing. Liza smiled and said, I am learning English through stories. She told him the story in very simple English, using words like go, buy, eat, and happy. By teaching the story to someone else, Liza understood the words better. Her confidence grew stronger. Over time, she noticed something amazing. When she walked outside, she started thinking in English. When she saw a tree, she said tree. When she saw a dog, she said dog. When she felt tired, she said tired. Stories helped her connect words to real life. Even when Liza made mistakes, she did not stop. Every story reminded her that learning English is not about being perfect. It is about practicing every day, step by step, word by word. Liza's vocabulary became bigger, her mind became clearer, and English slowly became her friend, not her fear. One sunny morning, Liza woke up with a happy feeling in her heart. She knew that today she would learn new English words through another simple story. After breakfast, she opened her book and read a story about a girl who went to the park. From this story, Liza learned words like park, tree, flower, bench, run, and play. As she read, she imagined the green park, the tall trees, and the colorful flowers. This helped the words stay in her memory. She read the story again and again, slowly and carefully, because repetition helped her feel comfortable with the words. Then she stood up and walked around her room while saying simple sentences like, I go to the park, I see a tree, and I play with my friend. When Liza used her body while speaking, the words felt more real. Later that day, she went outside with her family. When she saw a bench, she smiled because she knew the English word. When she saw children running, she said run quietly to herself. This made her feel proud. In the evening, Liza listened to an English story before sleeping. Even though she did not understand every sentence, she understood the main idea, and that was enough. Stories taught her patience. She learned that English vocabulary grows naturally when words appear many times in meaningful situations. Liza also learned to enjoy the learning process because stories were not only for learning, they were also for joy, imagination, and dreams. Slowly, Liza noticed that English words came to her mind more easily. She did not need to translate every word because her brain started to understand English directly. Through simple stories, daily practice, and a positive heart, Liza moved one step closer to her dream of speaking English confidently. In the end, Liza understood something very important about learning English vocabulary. She learned that stories are not just words on a page. They are doors to understanding, imagination, and confidence. Through simple stories, Liza learned new English words step by step, without fear. Each story helped her see, hear, and feel the meaning of the words. by reading, listening, speaking, and repeating words in stories, English slowly became easy and enjoyable for her. Even when she made mistakes, she did not stop because stories taught her that learning is a journey that needs patience and practice. Today, Liza is no longer afraid of English. She knows that every story she reads makes her vocabulary stronger, her mind clearer, and her dream closer. And just like Liza, every young learner can improve English vocabulary through stories. When you learn with stories, you learn naturally, happily, and confidently. One word, one sentence, and one story at a time. Thank you for listening. Remember to subscribe for more stories to help you learn English.